And if the interview goes off the rails, which sometimes it can happen, you're going to be able to steer that conversation back because you've done your research, and you're going to know so many different points and different avenues you can go down to talk about with your guest if your interview starts going off the rails. And you're always going to have one of those experiences. It happens. Sometimes the guest is not going to give you enough information. Maybe they're not going to be really chatty with you. Maybe there's a topic that they don't really enjoy and you can definitely tell and they're trying to get out of it. You're going to want to have a whole bunch of tools in your toolkit that you're going to be able to guide the interview and keep the flow going and keep the listeners engaged and keep your guest engaged as well. And that's also important, because if your guest starts not being engaged, you also run into the avenue of your interview could be boring, because you can tell when that guest is not connected with the interviewer. But if you do all your research, you're going to have so many backup plans and so many things to talk about that if something doesn't work with that particular guest, you're going to be able to ask something else